Hello everyone. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. Today we are going to learn about a new application which is called as Animoto. So on your Google search engine, type Animoto. Click on the link. This is the Animoto platform. Animoto is a platform where you can create small videos or slideshows. Over here you can see various options. You can either log in or sign up. If you have already logged in on this platform earlier, just click on login. If you are a new member, click on sign up. Here you can see different options which says personal use, business, pro photography, education and other. I recommend you click on education. Since I already have an account on Animoto, I'm going to click on login. You have to put in your email ID and your password. So this is the Animoto platform. Today we are going to explore this platform or application together, and I am going to create a video or a slideshow for you. So let the magic begin. Click on this icon which says create. Alright. So on this platform we have a variety of templates. For instance, holiday, motivational, narrative and so on. For the demonstration purpose, I am going to click on this template which says graduation message. Let's explore. Here you can see a demo of the same, and here is a description. Click on choose template. Okay, so over here you can see that we can upload photos and videos. This is the option where you have to click. So I am going to click on this and my files come in front of. So I am going to choose this image. Looks great. Let's open. It will take a little time to upload. So in the meanwhile, I am going to edit the text. I have put in the text, but I can see that the N has come down and I want the caption to look good and in the same line. So I am going to decrease the size. Yes, now it looks perfect. Over here you can see there are various options which says number one size, second color. So since it is Rajasthan, I think we should go for pink. On pink now. So we can move it up and down wherever you wanna place it. So I'll place it over here. It's great over here. There are two more options says change color and change layout. So in the layout options there are many layouts you can choose. Let's click on this and try. So you can see there's a border you can see over here. You can change the color of the border. So I shall go for white. Let's see how it looks. It looks great. Gives it a little Polaroid touch. So our photo is uploaded. Now I'll just drag it and place it over here. Wow, it looks great. So my cover photo is ready now. You can adjust it according to your needs. Now in the second block, I am going to add a video. For that, click on this icon. You will be directed to the files. Click on the video. So I have a video of a camel over here. I am going to let it upload. Till then, in the meantime, I will just change the text. Select all and backspace. And now you can add the text. So I've added the text over here. I'm going to place it somewhere so it doesn't overlap with the video. I will wait. Yes, the video is not uploaded. I'll just drag it. Yes, we have the video in place. I can just adjust it. Isn't I'll just fit it, place it down so we can read it. Let's play it. Look, it looks great. This come out really good. Here you can see there's an option to mute. So if your video has a audio which you do not like or you don't want to add it, so you can just mute the video. You can also trim it according to your needs. This is the entire video which I'll play now. If I think it's really long, I'll just trim it. If you think it's lengthy, trim it. However you want to do it. And click on apply. So we are done with our cover block. We are done with our video block. This I think I should go for a darker color. Click on the change text color option. Click on say black. Yes, it looks great. I'll add the next photo. So I'll again click on this icon and choose another photo. We have a really beautiful photo of the Amer Fort. Click on it, open it. Till then, I am going to change the text. Yes. So I have written my text. Again, I'm going to change the color so that it is visible to us. I think comparatively the size is too big. So I'll just decrease the size. I'll make it smaller. Yes, it looks much better. I'll quickly add the photo. Alright. So here you can notice it says there's still add more. In this you can add multiple pictures. There are a few pictures. I'm going to quickly add some more pictures to fulfill the space. I'll wait for it to upload. Add other pictures. Till the time it uploads, let's move on to the next block and edit it. Control A, backspace. Alright, see that our images have uploaded over here. The size looks a little too big, so I'll just change it according to my. This looks great. I'll change the color as well. I think pink looks great. I should go for a darker shade, and I'll also change the picture. So let's get back to our previous block. A few pictures. Add a photo. Added another. With the glory of Rajput. I think I'll change the color of the text. This is great. I'll the picture. Play this. Yes, it looks great. I think the animation try you can see the demonstration of the animation. In this one picture will go down, the other one will appear. Similarly, we have different animation. I think I'll settle for the slide. I think it looks great. Maybe hard cut. Like I think slide looks time duration. I want it a little slow. See how it looks. Okay, fine. We'll go for my next block. I have my text ready. I just have to put my image now. So still loading. Wait for it. Add another photo. Let's go for Hawa Mahal. I also have a picture of myself. I'll add. So let's wait for it to upload. Let's go back and see how far we have come. So our first slide was this introduction of Rajasthan. Then the second block was the video. Let's play it. Come out great. The third block. Okay. Fine. I'm just waiting for the photos to upload. Then I can add. So I am going to add the final picture. Okay, so you can see there are two texts where you can type. I don't need for my next slide, so I'm just going to delete it, add some text here, add a text over here. Looks brilliant. Size, good. We have a few pictures ready to drag and drop. Let's go for the fourth block. Put in the picture of the beautiful Hawa Mahal. Yes, look. I think the size is a little large. It amazing. Add something to it. The final picture, I'll like to add my own picture over here according to your wish. With here to appreciate the sunset behind me. I place it in center. It's great like that. Maybe I could add another picture which is more vibrant. You can again go and click on the icon and look for pictures. Have different options. I think this picture looks better. So let me open it. It will take a little time to upload. So I think I'll settle with this picture. It looks good enough. I can change the layout, or maybe this. Look for other. So I'd like to go for this. So I can add a picture of my friends. It will take some time. Please be patient, but the outcome is going to be amazing. You can wait a little for it to load. I'm just going to place it over. I can change the color of the background. So I just white. This isn't visible like I'd want it to be. Black. Let's try black. I'll change the size of the text. Yes, looks brilliant. And like you can see, the sunset not visible. I'll just test it. Yes, it looks picture. This looks beautiful. So let's rewind and play. Let's see how it's come. Fingers crossed. So it will take some time to come together, but I think we can wait because we've worked really hard to make that video. Let's wait 15 seconds. So here is our video. Wow, it has come beautiful. So from the sands of Thar to the glory of Rajput, Rajasthan will never lose its charm. Incredible India. It has come really beautiful. We'll close the preview now. We had some issue over here that I think we at least need 3 pictures. Let me add another one over here. Now we are ready to go. After your video is ready, you can just click on export. There are different options over here like design, music, ratio and so on. So let's go for some music. What do you say? Atmospheric, uplifting. So these are the different moods. There are some amazing genres in front of us. Instrumental, electronica, classical. Oh, classical sounds great for Rajasthan. Let's look. All right. I want to go for something instrumental. Let's look for some instruments. Let's try. It sounds great. Early bird. I've added the sound. I've added the sound. Close this. So we have music to the video now. Can the ratio you want, I can put it in square, in landscape or vertical, whatever suits you. Try landscape. The proportions are going to get a little bit disturbed here and there. Just see whatever suits you. The proportions have changed a lot. So I think I'll stick with my earlier one, the square one, 1:1. You can also add some design. Let's see. Oh my god. So we have various options here. Wow. This looks great. This looks great too. Let me apply and see. Okay, so this completely changed your video. Looks beautiful. But the proportion of the images change accordingly. So be aware of that when you use all these themes. Really looks pretty. Would have lost an image over here, so I'll have to readjust. It's come out great. I think I'll settle with this one, the themes. I think I'll go for it. I think we were having trouble with this image, so you can accordingly adjust it. So I've adjusted it now. I am surely going to lose my sunset. I think so. We are done. This is an untitled video, so I'd like to give it a nice name, saying second. Going to give it a name. Diary. And then finally, you can click on the export option to save the video. So thank you so much everyone for being a part of this course and for giving me a chance to try out this app that is Animoto. It was really fun. I enjoyed the process. I hope you try out this application. It's really beautiful. See, it's getting downloaded now. Let's look at the final video. So it's gonna be amazing. Let's play. Wow. It looks beautiful. I cannot believe that I have created such a video in such a small time, in a short time, and with a time constraint. So yes, you can also add some details, a description. You can see the resolution, and now you can access your video. You can download it first and then access it. So it was successful. Going to click and I'm going to save it over here. So the download was successful. Thank you. Thank you to each one of you for being on this journey with me. Take care.